Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm excited to show you my very first mid-range gaming PC. I've had this PC for about a year now and it's been an absolute beast. I thought it was time to show it off to you and talk about the parts I chose and how it's been performing. Let's start with the brain of this setup, the Ryzen 7 5700X. This 8-core 16-thread CPU has been a fantastic performer. Whether I'm gaming or editing videos, it handles everything with ease and efficiency. Next up, we have the RAM. I went with 32 GB of Corsair Vengeance RGB DDR4 RAM. Not only does it look incredible with its customizable lighting, but it also keeps everything running smoothly during gaming and multitasking. It's maybe a bit overkill, but I love the fact that I have some headroom. The motherboard I chose is the Gigabyte A520i ITX. It's compact and perfect for my small form factor build. Even though it's an ITX build, it's packed with solid features, like Wi-Fi. It's been super reliable for my Ryzen CPU. If I could rebuild this PC though, I would choose another motherboard, so I could have PCI Express Gen 4 support. So right now I have a bit lower FPS in some games. However, right now with the Ryzen 7 5700X, I would only upgrade my motherboard if I have a real good deal or if I upgrade to AM5, or just skip this gen and go straight to AM6. Because this PC for now, it's plenty fast. For storage, I installed a 1TB Lexar 620 SSD. This NVMe drive has been good enough. Fast boot times, quick load times, and enough space for my favorite games and some extra files. However, I'm noticing that 1TB with games nowadays is not enough anymore. So that might be an upgrade in the near future. Powering everything is a 505 watt Seasonic power supply. It's reliable and provides more than enough power for this setup. When it comes down to power supplies, I believe it's important to stick with a trusted brand, and this one hasn't let me down yet. And finally, the piece de résistance, the highlight of this gaming build, the RX 6700 XT. This reference card delivers outstanding 1440p gaming performance over the past year. It handled everything I've thrown at it, from AAA titles to competitive games. Always smooth and with high quality visuals. I just have a 75Hz ultra-wide 1440p screen, so that frame rate is the goal for me while gaming. Building this PC was such a rewarding experience, and after using it for a year I can confidently say it's been worth every penny. The performance was fantastic and it's been a joy to use for gaming, streaming and content creation. Here is what my PC can do in real numbers. The finals runs on medium settings around 80 FPS in 1440p settings. Cyberpunk 2077 runs around 80 FPS on high settings. Call of Duty Black Ops 6 hits over 100 FPS at 1440p in Ultra while doing the benchmark. This PC has enough performance for me right now. I'm not thinking of upgrading. Maybe just adding some case fans or a new SSD. I know that AM5 is out now for a few years, however it's still really expensive. And the performance you can squeeze out of this platform is just insane. AM4 is already a historical platform. Overall, I'm still proud of how this PC turned out. It's powerful, reliable, and looks awesome with those RGB accents. Let me know in the comments down below, what do you think about my PC build? What would you change? Or let me know in the comments below, what would you change about my PC? And if you have any questions about my parts specifically, please let me know. I'll gladly help you out. If you like this video, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe for more PC. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe for more PC gaming content. And if you're thinking about building your own PC, just go for it. Take your time, double check compatibility, and don't hesitate to ask the community for advice. Trust me, it's a journey worth taking.